Hi, I'm the math guy Steve. Let's try solving this system. So in solving systems of equations, we definitely have a bunch of different methods. The addition method is pretty helpful at times, meaning if I add these two equations and one of the variables disappears, it's a lot easier for us to solve. So now when adding the equations, if one of the variables doesn't disappear, then maybe multiply one or both of the equations by some non-zero number so that when I add them, one of the variables disappears. So like here, if I leave the first one as is, but multiply the second one by 2, we'll see that the y's would disappear, right? So leave the first equation as it is, okay? But the second equation, rewrite it. If I multiply that whole equation by 2, then we would get negative 12x minus 14y equals negative 20, okay? Now it's a lot easier to solve. And now when we add them, notice one of the variables disappears, okay? So here, if I add them, all right? Then we'll see, okay, the x's, we get 8x minus 12x is negative 4x. But the y's go away, okay? The y's disappear. And then 4 plus negative 20, we get negative 16, okay? We get negative 16. And now, again, one equation, one variable, a lot easier to solve. So if I divide by negative 4, we get x equals 4, okay? So that's the x part of my xy combo. To find the y part, we plug that back into one of the equations, okay? Plug it in, all right? Let's try it. So now when I plug in x equals 4, we get 8 times 4 plus 14y equals 4. Okay, now solve for y. So this is what, 32 plus 14y equals 4. Subtracting 32, we get 14y equals negative 28. Divided by 14, we get y is negative 2. Okay, so I found the xy combo, that is x is 4 and y is negative 2. I found the xy combo that makes both equations true. Now, we definitely want to check it, okay? That's the Nike step, the check step, which is plug both x and y into both equations and see if we get true statements, okay? Always remember, math is everywhere.